Evening, all. My name's Andy Spurka. I'm the project manager with the Ventura County Resource Conservation District. Very happy to be here tonight. I'm here talking in support of our grant application for monarch and pollinator habitat. So I just want to say thank you for considering funding our project proposal with the Oak Park Unified School District. Our project is referred to as Harmony. It stands for Habitat Assessments and Restorations for Monarchs, Overstory and Nectar Enhancement and Expansion Project. It's a mouthful. So in short, the project really, it would be, if it is funded, it would enhance and create just over 2 acres of critical breeding and migratory habitat for monarchs and pollinators at 3 schools within the Oak Park Unified School District. Those schools are Oakview High School or Oak Park Independent, Oak Hills Elementary, and Red Oak Elementary. This funding would act as a catalyst for future funding opportunities to leverage and build from with the school district in the years to come. One important aspect of this project is that it will not only enhance monarch and pollinator habitat, but it will increase public knowledge and awareness through an extensive community outreach and education campaign, which involves a variety of community-wide scoping meetings as we develop our plans. It involves bringing on 3 student interns, one from each school, to act as job training to assist us with planning and implementation efforts. We will be hosting multiple volunteer/planting days and workshops that will provide informational toolkits to volunteers on how they can increase habitat at their own homes. And this funding would facilitate the creation of a unique monarch alert system that would notify local landowners and managers of impeding migrations, providing tips on how to prepare for the monarchs and what not to do, amongst other important pollinator tips. Lastly, I just want to make note that this effort is part of the Monarch Flyway Network that the Ventura County Resource Conservation District is creating throughout Ventura County, and more so the Central Coast, through partnerships in Ventura, Santa Barbara, and San Luis Obispo counties. This funding would provide critical restorations on the eastern portion of the county not yet touched by the Flyway Network project. So that's it. Thank you again for the time and the considerations, and I'm happy to field any sort of questions as they arise.
Okay, thank you so much.